A single movie changed the nuclear policy of the United States president. Not a report, not a briefing, not a committee, but a movie.
Day, 2 hours, 13 minutes and 11 seconds.
Reagan watched the film called
The Day After Tomorrow.
a dramatisation of nuclear war and wrote in his diary that it left him greatly depressed. Historians credit it as one of the catalysts of the start of the arms reduction talks. A story changed geopolitical history.
I told you I wasn't going to be the only one who noticed.
Here's what most creators, marketers, educators, and campaigners get the most wrong. They believe that if they just present enough data, enough facts, enough evidence, enough slides, you get the drift, people will change their mind. There's a secret ingredient. It's called transmedia storytelling. And no, it's not just posting on multiple platforms. That's called cross-media. That's just copy-paste with extra steps.
We added bytes that let multiple users play on a single phone line.
Transmedia is something fundamentally different. And here's the definition that matters. Each piece of media makes its own unique contribution to the audience's understanding of the story world. Each platform does what it does best. The story doesn't repeat, but expands. Think of it like this. A novel gives you the inner world of a character. A short film gives you the visceral feel of a moment. And a social media account gives you the character's voice in real time. An interactive map lets you walk through their world yourself. And none of these replace each other. Each one makes the other richer. The story doesn't live in any one medium. It lives in the space between them. So why does this work on the human brain? Because we don't just receive transmedia, we complete it. Media researchers call this co-production, when a story is deliberately designed with gaps, with spaces where you have to make meaning. Your brain fills those gaps using your own memories, values, and beliefs, and the story becomes personal because in a very real sense, you wrote part of it as the audience, interacting with each and every level of the story world. And this is why the audiences who engage with transmedia projects don't just consume them, they remember them. They talk about them, they come back. And here's the strategic implication for anyone trying to build a movement, grow a brand, shift public opinion, or create cultural change. You are not in the content business. You are in the world building business. Now just let that sink in. The most powerful communicators in history, from H.G. Wells to Harry Potter's Alliance, which used a fictional story world to mobilize people around climate change, poverty, and human rights, understood this instinctively. They weren't distributing information. They were building worlds people wanted to live inside of.
Everyone is here. We are ready.
So if transmedia is the answer, if world building beats data every single time, why don't more people do it?
Yeah, I never do anything without consulting my crystal first.
Because they don't know what a transmedia world is actually made of.
Transmedia is what the people are hungry for.
What the architecture looks like.
Leverage brick and mortar into the transmedia space.
People want transmedia.
What the building blocks are. That's what the next video is about. And I'm going to show you the exact structural framework, the story world blueprint that underpins every successful transmedia project, from the Matrix to climate change campaigns to interactive documentaries. And it's simpler than you think. So subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop in the comments what's a story that genuinely changed your mind about something, because I want to know.